Welcome to Miss Wow, where the color coral rose turns every mother of the bride into a glow of confidence and love. This warm shade flatters many skin tones and lights up photos from day to night. Today we explore styles, fabrics, and fits that make you feel special without stealing the spotlight. If you enjoy helpful fashion guides, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's find your coral rose dress. Coral rose mixes pink warmth with golden energy, making it a happy, elegant choice for wedding days. It looks fresh in sunlight and rich under evening lights. Choose soft peachy coral for fair skin, and deeper rosy coral for medium to deep tones. Neutral makeup and rosy blush match beautifully. Pair with gold or rose gold jewelry. Keep nail polish tidy. The goal is graceful color harmony with effortless confidence. Flattering fit starts with silhouette. Align down skim hips and suit mini bodies. Empire waist highlights the bust and gives flow. Sheath dresses feel modern for tall frames. Fit and flare balances curves while staying modest. If you want coverage, choose cap sleeves or 3/4 sleeves. V-neck elongates without showing too much. Add a wrap for ceremony moments. Comfort leads so you can hug, dance, and shine. Fabric changes everything. For spring gardens, choose chiffon or georgette for light movement. For summer beaches, a breathable crepe keeps you cool. Fall barns love satin with a sheen. Winter halls shine with macado or velvet, warm and elegant. Lace sleeves add romance without heaviness. If the venue is formal, a structured bodice helps posture. For casual vows, soft draping feels relaxed. Match shawls or jackets to temperature and timing. Length also guides style and comfort. T length is easy for walking and dancing. Midi feels graceful and modern. Floor length brings drama, especially with a small train or slit for movement. Always match formality set by the couple. Check the palette. Coral rose pairs well with sage, navy, taupe, and champagne. Avoid colors too close to the bridal gown. Keep hemlines tailored to shoes so your step looks smooth. Accessories make a coral rose dress complete. Choose nude or metallic heels for length and polish. If you need comfort, block heels or dressy flats work well. A clutch in gold, pearl, or soft tan keeps things tidy. Jewelry should sparkle without shouting. Think delicate pendants, bracelets, or simple studs. Add a shawl for church or breeze. Keep hair neat with combs or pins. That is our guide to Coral Rose, mother of the bride dresses, covering color harmony, fit, and fabric. I hope you feel ready to choose a look that celebrates your child and feels true to you. For dress pics, Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below. I earn a small commission, and you pay no extra cost. Thank you for watching Miss Wow, and happy wedding planning today.